Hey everyone, this is Phyllis with Phyllis Finds, bringing you a quick short video on Dollar Tree finds. With Easter coming up, I have picked up some things for an Easter egg hunt for my grandkids. So I found these. They are Lego Easter eggs. So I thought these would be super cute for my grandkids. They are bright, fun colors. Open one up here. So some space there. It does look like they stack on top of each other. So the kids would have some great fun in searching out these. So did pick up these. I picked up some of these to put inside. Some cute little jot erasers. They were in the Easter area. So those are going to go in there. I also picked up at Walmart these. This was $5 for the bucket. And they're little squishies. They come individually wrapped. Little sea creatures. They also had dinosaurs. But I picked up the sea creatures. These will fit inside of these little containers. Quite perfect. And I do have some grandkids that limited on what kind of candies that their parents will allow them to eat. So I figured giving them something besides candy at Easter would be kind of fun. But looks like they have crabs in this one. They have little stingrays. And they all have these cute little faces on them. They have the clownfish. They have seahorses. But fun little squishies to hold and play with. Not edible. This one here is the whale. And then the last one in here is the little octopus. A little octopus. So I thought those would be really fun. You could just take these and scatter them into baskets if you wanted. But I thought they would be really fun to put in these Easter eggs. I do have other Easter eggs besides these that I'm going to be filling. But I thought the Lego ones would be kind of fun. A couple other things I picked up that were Easter related. I did get some of these napkins. Now I've got the ones that are decorative edge. This one here has the flowers on the bottom. They also had this one with the checkered. I love the two. These will be kind of fun to use for Easter Sunday. They also had these. They only had one package. These are felt coasters. Now, I was buying these not for use as a coaster, although you could use them. I was buying them because I thought they'd be perfect to put in a junk journal. They do come with a little ribbon there. But you could put these on the top of a junk journal. They also go quite well with the napkins. So those little spring fling coasters. A couple other things I picked up. I showed you the slat bracelets. These at this Dollar Tree had the unicorn slat bracelets. So those are kind of fun. Once again, those go great around wrapping paper. One thing that I did see as we came in was this belt bag. It is nylon. Has a kind of a vinyl type inside. So it would be great to keep, you know, something you want to keep dry or that is wet that you don't want to get on you. But it does come with a long strap, little clutch so it can go over your shoulder. You could personalize it, iron something on the front, but you have to be real careful with these because these will melt when you try to iron on them. Another interesting thing they had was these pop keychains. Now, I've never seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree. This one here was Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness. America Chavez was the only one that they had, but I thought it was super cute, so I picked up one. I did pick up these. This is the only thing I saw that was new that I had not seen. They are stickers. They are with the brown. Let's see. There's two sheets. Okay, I didn't know there were two sheets. But these would be fun to, you can draw on them, stamp on them, but to use those in a junk journal. And the nice thing about this is, so you see this background here, you can use that. You can just put another piece of paper on the back side, but this would make also a great item to use in a junk journal. Multi-use. And then the last thing I picked up, two more things. Okay. These notebooks. They are sewn in. They're white paper. They are a nice thick paper. But you can make this, you just peel this off, you can make this into a junk journal cover. This one here is kind of bent up on the corner. But you can cut this out and use it for a junk journal. Kind of a soft paper. Anyway, those would be great for junk journaling. And the last thing I picked up was these. These are over there in the baking area. These are 6x6 square parchment paper. It's something you can use and make into stickers or use in your junk journal. It's clear. You can iron on this and the napkins will stick to it. It is non-stick, easy to clean, but you can use this in your junk journal. So that's kind of why I picked that up, was to use in junk journals. All in all, that's all the things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Not a whole lot this time, but be on the lookout for them, especially these little guys, because the kids will really love those for Easter. And you will be able to, they will love you for something different other than an egg. Anyway, that's everything. Thanks for stopping in. Bye.